Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Today I will solve one more numerical problems from NET previous year question paper based on the topic of silicon controlled rectifier. So without any time waste, let's start our class. So what is the question? The question is, an SCR is connected across 200 volt battery through 0.2 Henry inductance. If the latching current in the circuit is 3 milliampere, then what is the minimum width of the gating pulse required to properly turn on the SCR? And this question is from UGC Net 2019 June Electronic Science. The option is, first option is 1 microsecond, second option is 2 microsecond, third option is 3 microsecond, and the fourth option is 4 microsecond. How we solve this problem? Given value is an SCR is connected across 200 volt battery. That means V is given here. And through 0.2 Henry inductance. That means L value is also given in the question. So from this we can easily get di dt. We know that is V equal to L di dt. This is we know from SCR concept, right? So the value of V and the value of L is given in the question paper. So we can easily solve di dt. And when we get the di dt value, from this di dt value, how can we get the t value? That is equal to the latching current, that is 3 milliampere. Okay. So first of all we need to solve the V by L, and hence we get the value di dt. This value is equal to the latching current 3 milliampere, which is also given in the question paper. Then we get this di dt is the value of some value into t, that is equal to latching current. Then this t value is the minimum width of the gating pulse required to properly turn on the SCR. This t is the minimum pulse requirement. Okay. So now we get the solution. How we solve this problem? Here is the solution. First of all, for SCR we know V equal to L di dt. V value is given here, L value is also given in the question paper. So from here we get the di dt value. Di dt equal to V by L. V is the 200 volt into 10 to the power 5 divided by 0.2 Henry. So we get 1000 T. This T value is equal to the latching current, that is the 3 milliampere. So here we write 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So from here we get T value. T value is the 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1000, that is equal to 3 microsecond. So the right answer is 3 microsecond. Okay. So based on the SCR topic, we can easily solve this problem. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.